Hello and welcome to the FAW for the FAW Youth Cup quarter-final draw. I'm delighted that on my left we have Geraint Williams, the Wales Intermediate Team Manager, and on my right is Dominic, who's the Wales Intermediate Team Administrator and Officer. Geraint, how are you settling into the job 6 months in?
Very enjoyable. It's hard work working with Dom all the time, but I'm getting by.
Good. Well, thanks very much for doing the draw. It's an open draw for the quarter-final, and the numbers are number 1 Flint Town, number 2 TNS, number 3 Cambrian, number 4 Carmarthen, number 5 Kevin Druids, number 6 Gap Connors Quay, number 7 West End, and number 8 are the current holders, Swansea City. Geraint will draw the home sides and Dominic the away teams.
Number 7.
That's West End, who beat Newport County in the last round.
Number 6.
And they play Gap Connors Quay.
Number 2.
And that's the New Saints, who have beaten finalists last year.
Number 8.
And they play Swansea City, who beat them in the final last year.
Number 3.
That's Cambrian and Clydach.
Number 5.
And they will play Kevin Druids.
Number 1.
Is Flint Town United.
Number 4.
And they'll play Carmarthen Town. And that concludes the draw. Those ties to be played on Sunday the 10th of February.